to prep the room. Today we have a special guest appearance. I'll not disclose the name also. Let us hear it from the person itself. Okay. So let us hear it from the person. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Go.
Yes.
Go. Okay. Go. Just give me a minute. Okay. Go ahead.
क्योंकि आज का टॉपिक रिश्तों पर है, तो आपके लिए एक कहानी है रिश्तों पर। उसने अपनी उंगली को एक इत्र की शीशी में डुबाई और अपने कान के पीछे से धीरे धीरे खींचते हुए अपनी सुराहीदार गले के ऊपर से नीचे तक फहराई। उसके जिस्म की खुशबू सिर्फ उसके कमरे तक नहीं, पर उस कमरे के दरवाजे पर खड़े खड़े उस सुंदर लड़की को निहारते हुए नौजवान तक के होश उड़ा रहा था। मन ही मन मुस्कुराते हुए वो झुका और उस कमरे और दरवाजे के सामने रखे हुए पत्थर को हटाने की कोशिश करने लगा। उस पत्थर के हटते ही दरवाजा खुल जाता और वो कमरे के भीतर जाकर उस सुंदरी को अपने आगोश में लेना चाहता था, पर कई कोशिशों के बावजूद उस भारी पत्थर को वो हटा नहीं पाया। निराश होकर अपने स्वर्गवासी पिता के दोस्त के पास पहुंचा। दरअसल ये नौजवान एक बड़े ही अमीर देश का राजकुमार था। मरने से पहले उसके पिताजी महाराज अमीर चंद ने उसे सलाह दी थी कि जब भी वो विवाह करने का निर्णय ले तो अपने दोस्त के पास जाए, वही उसको उसके लायक एक राजकुमारी के चुनाव में मदद करेगा। जब राजकुमार उनके पास पहुंचा तो वो न जाने कैसे उसी का इंतजार कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा, राजकुमार, आज रात मेरी हवेली के पीछे के कमरे में एक सुंदर राजकुमारी तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रही होगी। उसके थोड़े से खुले दरवाजे के सामने एक पत्थर रखा होगा, है? तुम उसे हटाना और दरवाजा खोलकर अंदर चले जाना, वही तुम्हारी पत्नी होगी। बस और क्या था? नहा धोकर तैयार होकर हमारा राजकुमार हवेली के पीछे वाले कमरे की तरफ चल दिया। उस कमरे के पास पहुंचते ही उसे खुशबू का एहसास हुआ और बाकी तो आपको पता ही है। जब निराश होकर वो वापस अपने पिता के दोस्त के पास पहुंचा तो वो हंस दिया। बरखुरदार, इस दुनिया में एक ही लड़की थोड़ी है, हैं? जाओ आराम करो, कल फिर आना। और उसने वही शर्त रखी, कमरे में एक सुंदर कन्या होगी, दरवाजे के सामने पत्थर होगा, उसे हटाना और उस कन्या को अपनी धर्मपत्नी बना लेना। तो आज फिर सूरज के ढलने के बाद नहा धोकर तैयार होकर वो निकल पड़ा। जब वो हवेली के पास पहुंचा, उस कमरे के पास पहुंचते ही उसे बड़ी ही मधुर आवाज की किसी के गाने की आवाज सुनाई दी, जो आवाज मानो उसके दिल के अंदर घर कर गई हो। दरवाजा थोड़ा सा खुला था। एक सुंदर सी लड़की एक कुर्सी पर बैठकर खिड़की से बाहर झांकती हुई गाना गा रही थी। उसे देखकर राजकुमार के होश उड़ गए। उसने झुककर उस पत्थर को उठाने की कोशिश, लेकिन अफसोस इस बार भी उठा नहीं पाया। फिर वो निराश होकर अपने पिता के दोस्त के पास गया और सारी व्यथा सुनाई। वो फिर मुस्कुराए और उन्होंने कहा, अरे निराश काहे होते हो बछुआ, है? तुम कल फिर आना, हम तुमसे फिर किसी से मिलाएंगे, लेकिन शर्त वही होगी, ठीक है? अब जाओ आराम करो। आज फिर एक बार तैयार होकर वो निकल पड़ा। आज न इत्र की खुशबू, न संगीत का शोर शराबा, आज तो पूरा आलम खाने की खुशबू से महक रहा था। इस खुशबू से सिर्फ उसका मुंह पानी से नहीं भर रहा था, लेकिन आंखें भी अपनी माँ के हाथ के खाने और प्यार को याद कर कर बह रही थी। जब वो दरवाजे के पास पहुंचा, हर बार की तरह आज भी थोड़ा सा दरवाजा खुला हुआ था। जब उसने झांका तो देखा एक सीधी सादी दिखने वाली लड़की खाना पका रही। राजकुमार के दिल में शायद कभी भी किसी ने भी ऐसा सुकून महसूस नहीं करवाया था। भगवान का नाम लेकर इस बार वो झुका और बड़ी कोशिश, लेकिन वो पत्थर हिला भी नहीं। उनकी निराशा का कोई क्या जवाब देता। जैसे ही वो जाने लगा, पीछे से एक आवाज आई, सुनिए। उन्होंने पलटकर देखा तो वो लड़की उसके पास ही खड़ी थी। उसने पूछा, क्या हुआ? तो उसने कहा, ये पत्थर नहीं उठा पा रहा हूं। वो मुस्कुरा दी। उसने कहा, आओ, मैं हाथ लगाती हूँ ना। और दोनों ने उस पत्थर को अपने कंधों पर उठाकर एक किनारे पर रख दिया। दोस्तों, रिश्ते हों तो ऐसे, मुसीबतों को 4 कंधों पर ढोएं और खुशियों को 4 हाथों से बटोर लें। रिश्ते कैसे भी हों, 2 दोस्तों के बीच, बॉस और सबॉर्डिनेट के बीच, भाई बहन के बीच, पति पत्नी के बीच, माँ बाप और बच्चों के बीच, अपने कंधे और हाथ दोनों तैयार रखने में ही समझदारी है। धन्यवाद।
Okay, so participants, do you want to actually hear who's the person there on the special guest appearance? Any guesses out here by participant, please?
Yes, ma'am. Mobile is on. Oh, he's connecting it to the.
Okay, so I will reveal the person who was there on the call. It was none other than
RJ from Mumbai.
is Sharon from Mumbai. Sharon Matthews.
Sharon Matthew,
Sharon,
okay.
can you come on the video, please? Yeah, it is Sharon Matthews here.
On the screen.
Sharon,
Yeah, Pranavesh, I think I'm there and I clicked on what you have sent me.
yes,
but
yes, yes.
I don't know if I'm there or not. I have no
Yeah,
idea.
you can just wave your hand, please.
Can you see me?
Yes, 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 we all can see you. Okay, so I guess Sharon, thank you so much for this wonderful guest appearance today. And I will just unmute your call. Just give me a minute.
I have unmuted it, I think.
Yes. So thank you so much for coming on my platform and giving that 5 minutes story. It was a wonderful session. You have prepped up the room for me. We always play a song from our end, but today, yes, we had a nice story built up on the relationship. So thank you so much for coming on the platform.
Thank you for having me, Pranavesh. It's always a pleasure to be with you.
Thank you so much, Sharon. Thank you.
All the best, Jyoti.
Jyoti's voice is, I guess it's on mute. I will just unmute it. Yeah, Jyoti, can you?
Yes, thank you, Sharon. Thank you so much, dear.
Nice to see you. Chalo.
Yes, nice to see you, definitely.
All the best.
Thanks, Sharon.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. Okay, so today's speaker is Jyoti Dadlani. We would like to hear it from Jyoti directly. Her topic for the day is relationship mastery. Let us hear it from her directly.
So let me start. Pranavesh, will you
Yes.
allow me to? Yeah.
Just give me a minute. Okay. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay. Okay. So today's topic is relationship. Okay. And Why this topic in this 21 days? Because right now is the best time. Either we, kind of break it or bond it. The two extreme ends. So let's see, where do you guys stand? Key takeaways from this session. Key takes away from this session will be a practical framework, how to nurture your relationship, build a habit that strengthens communication and deep connections, and of course, surviving in difficult time. So, Pranvesh, can you unmute all?
Yes, it is unmute all.
Okay. So my questions to you is, where are you? Can you see the picture on the screen? Yeah. So can you please tell me where are you in? Where are you standing right now in this zone?
This is the last zone.
Last zone. What about others?
Last zone.
Growing zone.
Excellent.
I am between one leg in the learning zone, one leg in the growing zone.
Excellent.
So always you learn something from some or the other things. That is how it is.
Recognize that we are all trying to do our best to face the complicated situation.
Okay, cool. Anyone else?
I'm in all the three. Made.
You are in?
All the three.
All the three. Okay, fear, learning, growing.
Partly.
First he was fearing to learn, then he learned, and then he's growing in his growing zone. I guess so. Global, am I right?
Yes.
Wonderful transactions are happening.
See, there is always a small percentage of panic in everyone's business. Yes, you're not all that free. You're not God-like to be so much free. So the percentage differs. That's a matter.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Right now, I believe.
Tirmal said that all trainers will be in learning and growing zone.
Mostly, yes, absolutely.
Given the kind of experience and exposure, it's bound to be that way.
Thanks, Tirmal.
My pleasure.
Just mute them. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Just give me a minute. Jyoti, you can go ahead.
Okay. So now, in a different situation or in a life also, we play different roles. Sometimes I'm a daughter, I'm a mother, you're a husband, father, son, cousins, chacha, chasi, God knows all. Okay. Now, every single role and every single situation has their own expectations. And we are, kind of humans, we are struggling between to fulfill those expectations. और अभी तो लॉकडाउन है, मतलब पूरी फैमिली एक साथ, तो हम चाहकर भी हर एक कोशिश करते हैं कि ओके आई ट्राई टू गिव टाइम टू दिस पर्सन or this relationship. I try to give to my time to my child. I try to give time to my partner, to my parents. So the best part is we are trying, but we are human. So right now, what's happening in current situation? Everyone is in a different zone. अब क्या होता है ना, suddenly घर बैठा जा रहा है. Now when sitting at home, what's happening? Everyone, some territory was with your wife, some territory you're interfering. Working from home also not very easy. तो कभी कभी एक दूसरे को इतना टाइम दे कि either you're breaking or you're wonderfully bounding. Simultaneously, it depends on the situation. Isolation, we are social animals. Okay, so isolation does matter a lot. Friends se milna nahi ho raha hai. Those things which you used to share not with your partners but with your friends, because in your friends you don't have to be pretend, and office की बातें हो, दिल में कुछ भी कहना, you say, okay चलो चाय की टपरियाँ. I believe most of the people will be missing those chai tapris, coffee meets, where you just have to be yourself. You're meeting your friends. And currently watch out for these signs below. Sense of insecurities for loved ones and yourself. because after 21 days, we don't know what's going to happen. So there are certain insecurities in myself, of course, or मुझे नहीं पता आगे जाके what will be the future. Is it going to be cured? Not. I don't know what's going to happen to my business, my job. So much fear. Fear of losing livelihood. Anxiety and social physical distancing. Now, anxiety is very common because अब मैं एक तो दिन भर घर पे हूँ, आधे से टाइम मैं क्या कर रही हूँ क्वेश्चन है, सेकेंड टाइम me time is missing. Even when we are working, we used to have that little time, it's only for ourselves. You know, that is absolutely not there. Highly demanding. And second, and the last is phobia of going out of the home. भाई मैं किसी चीज को छू ना लूं. If I go out, what happened? So lot of confusions that creating unstable emotions, and emotion does matter a lot on your relationship aspect. So this is just a current situation to give an overview. And of course the WhatsApp messages, जितना पैनिक WhatsApp messages ने किया उसने और कहीं शायद ही किसी ने किया हो. And compulsive of holding unnecessary food. ये लेके आओ बाजार से, वो लेके आओ, अच्छा, just kind of storage. So currently, when we talk about any kind of situation, what is our emotional level? How do I'm gonna interact to my family? Because family is the one thing which I don't need to pretend. When I go to the office, when I go to my friends, when I go for networking, I always put one mask. Certain way I have to behave, certain procedures I have to follow. But in your family, where somewhere I just have to be what I am. I don't have to pretend at all. And that's a wonderful thing. So my question to you all is, when we start gonna do the nurturing the relationship, so in your family, I talked about different roles. What is most important thing to you, love or respect?
Respect. For me,
Most of them are respect.
Respect.
Some are saying both. Some are saying.
Now,
Some are saying love, some are saying love.
Shobhan here. Can I answer?
Yes, Shobhan. Yeah, please continue.
Understand your role very clearly and do that role well.
Okay. What about others?
Actually, if we are talking about how to nurture the relationship, it is strictly based upon the love.
Some love. Okay. Now I got your answer.
I feel, Jyoti, is if we love somebody, we cannot not respect them. We'll respect the person we love, but it's not necessary that if we respect somebody, we love them also. So I think love is important.
Very, very interesting one. So let me put a little highlight on this. Okay. Now, my second question come to you. In India, how many household consider in a financial matter taking a perspective or decision power to their female partners? या मैं हिंदी में बोलूं तो कितने लोग अपनी बीवी की सलाह लेते हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हुए या फाइनेंशियल मैटर को देखते हुए?
Obviously, very less people.
Sorry, Ranjan, bit louder.
See, there are, hello.
Yeah, please.
There are different aspects of investment itself. If you talk about constructing the home itself and buying for the plot, then of course discussion has to take place. But if you talk about investment in mutual bonds or something towards that lineup, then if she part is aware of those aspects, then discussion should take place. Otherwise may not be.
Okay. I'm just talking about overall, overall, let's say percentage wise in India, how many people actually consider asking their partners taking any financial decisions?
You're talking about overall.
Overall, let's talk about overall,
Maybe if we would have been at the year 1995 to 2000 के ज़माने में होते तो you could have said percentage wise 30-40% of male used to consider their wife as a financial transaction में their salah. Now in the era of 21st century, and you can say after 2015 to 2020, people are actually taking their wives, considering their wife as a financial controller, and you can say even fund controller.
Okay. So very well, but according
I
to
want to
this,
say something.
yes,
Can
go
I?
ahead. Sorry.
Yeah. Sorry to interrupt. According to me, it is not about whether the
Amit, can
person.
you be a little louder, please?
Okay. According to me, it is not about the expertise of the person, whether she is expert or whether she understands it or not. It is about sharing, discussing, and understanding each other's views. And I consider that is the most prime important reason why we share and we discuss.
Exactly.
Not because whether she knows, whether she understands. She may not. That is not important. It is about discussion and sharing.
Wonderfully said. So my point here, why I asked this question was because a lot of you said love or respect. But the consider you're living with someone, you're sharing your life, you're living with your better half. And if they do not earn the respect of you, respect is give and take process. Okay. And if in the relationship, if we do not respect each other, how are you planning to go forward? Love, of course, does it exist, and love also change according to the time. Trust me on this. So it's very important in any relationship that respect should take place. Okay. Next is.
Can we mute all participants? Jyoti?
Yes, please.
Okay. Just give me a minute. Yeah, Jyoti, go ahead.
Okay. So next is very kind and constant and honest communication. So when it comes to communication, people actually come and say, okay, I wanted to have an honest communication, but very not sure that my other person or my family member will accept as it is, which is okay. My only concern is, have you ever tried? We cannot judge their expectations, or we cannot determine another person's mind. Only thing we can do is to try. Because knowing something you have done from outsiders, it kills. Instead of when you talk directly, it is much more better. So when I do a lot of couple counseling, and I'm going to share some examples here. The people come to me and saying, we have a problem in marriages. So I said, okay, what kind of problem? So they often say, I ask them, do you have any related to money issues? So anything that is basic necessities or luxuries not provided to you. So they say, no, everything is fine. I say, another partner is not there for you. No, he's there. So anything else? So no. But only important part is that honest communication is not happening. Because another person is always feeling that something is hiding, something is, might he's keep on more comfortable talking certain things with his friends, but not with me. Same applies to another ways. So we need to, when it comes to nurturing relationship, it's very, very important that we communicate more openly. When it comes to parents and teenagers, why teenagers parents of teenagers are facing so much problem, right now. They're helping in every aspect of household, and suddenly after everything they go back and they locked in their room, they're happy with their friends talking. So there are certain parents, you come up and they will like, okay, my teenagers don't want to talk to me. Everything is helping. I'm not saying he's not helping, but The way we used to do bonding, it's not happening. Why? And we talk to teenagers also. So they say, only one question my parents ask me every time I sit with them. It's what about your future? So I don't want to discuss this topic anymore. So somewhere when it comes to honest communication, we have to, be very open. Something I do not like, I do not like. Something which is I appreciate, I appreciate. So chalta hai doesn't work in relationship. Secondly, heal and resolve the old relationship problem. Something which has bothered you couple of years back and you say, okay, now this is not the right time to resolve it. Now this is the right, absolutely right time to resolve it, because let it go. The more burden you take emotionally, it just bubbling up. It is very important that we should talk about it, resolve these issues. Max to max, the person would say, "Tab kyun nahi bataya?" It's okay. At least I have a guts to talk it right now. I'm ready to resolve it, which is most important. Now, willingness to work through difficult times and disagreements. Now, difficult time, like, now we are not able to go out, but at least we are blessed at home. So are we ready to work through it? Are we ready to talk about our future? Are we ready to talk about our disagreements? Are we ready to talk about our differences? And of course, the sense of humor. Bit of distractions can work wonder. So my question to you is, so now Pranavesh gonna unmute you guys, okay? What is the last time that you giggle or just laughed out with each other?
Couple of hours ago.
What you were doing?
We were having discussion. We were generally talking about something.
Sorry, can you be louder?
We were generally talking about something.
Cool. What about others?
Today, sharing WhatsApp book.
Okay.
Just half an hour ago when we were testing the call.
Pranavesh, yes. But we are talking about family, Pranavesh. Hold on.
Okay. Family, yes. I have a sweet family here again.
Okay. We have 45 participants. What about others?
I don't always show with nothing. I do it always, but my wife knows that I do it for fun. Okay, so she doesn't take it seriously.
Okay. Anyone else like to share?
Neha, Urvi.
So let's move further.
Yeah.
Sharing a life lesson. When you are with your kids, with your parents, if you start telling those stories, this is something I learned today from my office, and you will surprise to know when they will start sharing with you. You will learn a lot. There is only assumption कि ये क्या समझेगा या ये क्या समझेगी. The moment we break that assumption, it works wonderfully. Now, second is emotional support, validation and compliments. कैसा लगता है कि कोई आपको आज कहता है, wow, you have done a great job. That little tapping. They are doing the regular work, we are doing our work, but suddenly with no reason someone comes and say, really appreciate it. You feel happy, you feel gratitude. So please, when this 21 days lockout, at least give one compliment to one member each day. And you can see the difference, because they also feel important that, okay, I am the part of the family, and okay, I am also being considered. Any question on this slide?
Just allow me. Okay, any questions? Anybody? I guess you can continue.
Okay, good. Now, याद है जब when you meet or when you were young, we were having that set of goals. When we meet our partners and in with your family or your children, you know, after 2 years, okay, we will see, we will have certain dreams. हम यहाँ जाएंगे, हम ये चीजें करेंगे, हम वो चीजें करेंगे, जो कि आपकी, you know, मन की list ho. So there is a serial called Purab and Pooja, which is on MX Player. Why I'm sharing this? Because there was this beautiful 60 years old couple, senior citizen, who was realizing very near to, you know, there is very less time left in their life. They started making their regret list. Probably we can do it now. And we already had that list. Just only, you know, time pass when I'm busy with the work. I have my own relationship burdens. And बहुत काम है, मैं बहुत busy हूँ. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये छोटी छोटी goals, छोटे छोटे dreams disappear हो जाते हैं. So why can't we talk about it? Why don't we talk about with your family and resonate with both of you? You know, all of you. Okay, so these are my goals, and ask about their goals too. What are their dreams? What they want to do, and that how you connect. Sorry, that how you connect. That how you build that a simple line, a small line between you guys. Next is compassion, acceptance, and forgiveness. Okay, पांच उंगलियों का खेल. You know, when you say it's your mistake and there are always 3 or 4 ungliyan meri taraf hi hoti hai. So of course, you know, right now, even you guys are occupying one room, you are in the webinar. Now that is might be uncomfortable for the person because you told them, okay, not to make any noises. So we are also interfering in their daily life. So most important is accept. Okay, we done the mistake, which is okay. They have done the mistake, it's okay. Very important is let go. As a human nature, we carry those mistakes years to year. ये किया था. Okay, I'm going to remember this. You know, अच्छा तुम तो रोज यही करती हो. And probably you told him 100 times. But it's okay. You know, change take time slowly. It's habit. Remember, we are talking about someone habit to be changed. Habit एक दिन में नहीं change होती. So you have to slowly accept and forgive. The last is being able to admit the mistakes and talk about it. So if I have done something wrong, I am okay to talk about it. उससे मैं छोटा नहीं बनता या मैं छोटी नहीं बनती. Because right now it's high time that you can connect. It's a beautiful. तुम चाहकर भी घर छोड़ के नहीं जा सकते. कोई भी रूट के बाहर नहीं जा सकता. So it's very important that tolerance levels to each other are going to increase drastically. So this ends the family relationship part. Any questions?
Any questions? Can people raise their hand, please? Nothing as of now. You can continue, Jyoti.
So when we talk about couple relationship, we all are tied up. We are all are bound to each other. I understand. But of course, we have a life which is outside each other. When we talk about a couple who's absolutely do everything together, like couple goals, clicking pictures, putting selfies, TikTok, what all. So now you have to remember before marriage, yeah, before, you know, getting into live-in also, there was, you have your certain set of friends. You had your life. You used to give a time to your parents. Now, which is more important, that you have some breathing space for yourself too. The one's important key to nourishing your romantic relationship is don't push it. It's like rubber band. जितना आप रबर को खींचोगे वो उतना ही खींचता जाएगा. But the more you lose it, it takes its own shape. So relationships are also like that. You don't have to stop pushing it, stop stretching it. And no other person should be responsible for your entire happiness. It's a too heavy burden to carry. That's your own job. Second point is, but you still prioritize your relationship. Having said that, your relationship is priority for both of you. But remember not to take the things for granted at the point. Now, sometimes every day one person makes coffee, every day wonderful coffee comes to you on the table. Remember, sometimes you can also do that. It is very important that you change the rule. Considering hectic lives we have these days, and particularly with kids, couple do not spend quality time. At least once in a week, go on date or spend the time which you like to do. Maybe reading a book together, whatever, it's your choice, but have that quality time. You should have fun together. Now, fun can be, when I talk about working on the relationship, the work doesn't sound too much fun, but it should be. Fun about trying new things, tracking, hacking, visiting new places, anything that you thought of and that you might doing together, you should do. Even simple thing like cooking, go ahead, try it out. Secondly, stimulate each other. Now, how many people here stimulate each other intellectually?
কেমন ভাবে তোমার মামা কি নতুন করে বলেছে you will see what could be done. আর একটা মেড রাখতে হবে কি করতে হবে না করতে হবে, will see that. I've spoken to Ma also. এবার কথাটা হচ্ছে যে আমাদের ফোকাসটা সরে গেলে কিন্তু মুশকিল আছে। এটা
excuse me,
the next
hello,
7 months focus is very very clear.
Okay, so my question is, how do you stimulate each other intellectually? Can you put it on a chart so I can at least see? Okay, my wife does. Okay, so even do you discuss what happening in your office or your professional life, or do you even discuss what's happening in her other life of the person? Might you are from IT background or from the banking. Do you provide the knowledge to each other? That is most important, because we consider, okay, mera domain hai, unko kya samjhega, just let it be. It's not very important that you give entire data out, just some details, because it might feel person is ready to talk to me and he thinks, okay, I'm capable of understanding. And again, the sexually, majority people in India don't want to talk about it, but intimacy and sex are very important when it talks to couple relationship. So we are all animals with a natural sex drive.
Okay,
Long
so I should say something. Jyoti. Shobhan, you can go ahead.
Sorry?
Shobhan?
Yes.
Yeah, I can see a hand raised. You can go ahead.
Okay. she was asking, how do you share? Do you share any of your? How you stimulate your? The question was something. How do you share? Or do you talk with your partner? Yes, I do talk. I do whatever knowledge I get and whatever new things I discover about life. I do share, because if I don't share with my partner, then I will be having a single track, a different track, and she'll be in a different track. So always I see that whatever knowledge I get and whatever drives me in my life, I just share. Of course, the percentage of knowledge they take it could be less, but that I'm doing and where I'm going.
Wonderful.
So that will make the journey a little bit
Wonderful,
more.
wonderful.
Okay, to add
What about
what
others?
Jogan said, I could add with a pinch of again salt in this. What I generally do is, so I sit with my wife for almost, so we sit almost in the weekend. Jaise Saturday hota hai, so we sit in the weekend with a glass pack and with no mobile phones at all for almost 3-4 hours, and we don't even see the time at all. And we discuss a lot of things in a manner where we share everything to in and out to each other. So उसमें क्या होता है, flow में सब कुछ we share and we understand each other कि हाँ आपके life में क्या चल रहा है, मेरे life में क्या चल रहा है. But the point here is we don't interfere in everybody's life. It's like so you enjoy your life, let me enjoy my life. It's that way. But we both share each other what our perspectives are. That is how we give the space to each other.
Wonderful. Wonderful, because what happened, sometimes you might be upset with your professional work, sometimes she might be upset, but at least now we know the reason, right? So once you know the reason, we become empathetic with it. We are okay with it. So now, ye mujh pe gussa nahi hai. There's some other reason. He's not hiding something. So there where the trust comes in a part, when we start sharing it. Anyone else like to share anything?
As of now, we don't see any hand raised here. You can continue, Jyoti.
Okay. So I was talking about now, in India, it's very difficult to talk about sexuality. There are 34 sexual disorders when we, the psychologist, when we deal with it. And जो bedroom में होता है ना, बड़े ashamed होते हैं लोग कि बाहर आके हम बात कैसे करें. But sex drive is most important drive in your couple relationship. भाई होता है पर होता ही है ना. So why don't, if you have any kind of problem, normal नहीं है, ठीक है, sexual disorders matter करते हैं. If you take a professional help, you might able to resolve it. But asking for help itself is a big deal. So I'm not going to ask any questions on this because it's up to you guys. But please, जितना जान सकिए experiment कीजिए. The third last is put your cards on the table. Now काफी बार ऐसा होता है कि relationship में आप होते हैं and often couple of years of marriage, अच्छा मुझे तो ये पता ही नहीं था. So small things, veg non-veg, अच्छा you have this, your family follow this traditions, I do not follow. मेरी family में तो अलग होता है. So when you are getting into any kind of relationship, it's very important that you put all cards on your table. Suddenly your friends come up, okay, and पुरानी बातें निकलती है. अब सारे पत्ते खुलने लगते हैं. अब शायद ex girlfriend ex boyfriend के भी पत्ते खुल जाते हैं. अच्छा तुमने कभी नहीं बताया, and the moment goes shock. So before starting, or even now when you have lovely 21 days, now people not gonna run from you anywhere. Please open all your cards on the table. The more honesty, trust me, it works wonder. Because now the person is telling that another person starts trusting me with his secrets. How do you know your all friends' secrets? Because those are friends. But why can't you know each other's secrets? Question mark, right? So start sharing. And most important is, You are a team. Team aspect is everything you're doing is together. You know, a relationship based on commitment and compromise. So view your partner as a teammate. How do you view any other your project mate as a teammate? You make sure the work gets done. So why not, having a child together, even sharing a household, do as a teamwork, planning a future. Uh, After marriage, life is not a fairy tale. When it comes to reality, of course, a lot of expectations break. Sudden reaction is, okay, तुम तो वो नहीं थी जिससे मैंने शादी की थी. After few years, it start. So now suddenly understand with the complexity of lifestyle and changes in responsibility, it takes time to adjust. So do not expect your Prince Charming or Cinderella. Be very realistic. The person gonna change. But you can always work on this, accept as it is. Now, last is couple goals. As I told you, working on a gym and clicking, I'm working, these are my couple goals. Cooking together is my couple goal. Is this as realistic couple goals? So please, couple goals are not showing to the social public. It's up to you. But couples goals should be work out something within you, within your better prosperity of your own relationships. Goals can be all small, or goals can be those goals, those dreams that you have seen together or that you wish for it. Maybe 1 BHK, 2 BHK. जैसा भी है, पर वो गोल तुम्हारा है, दूसरों का नहीं है. With this, I am opening this session for the questions. Please give a feedback. And you can connect with me on this email ID. My mobile number is mentioned here. Is everyone unmute, Pranvesh?
Okay, no. I will unmute all the participants. Now we can open the room for question and answer.
Yes.
Varsha Singh has one question. Varsha, can you come on?
I have millions of empowerment.
So you
Varsha, hang on.
Okay.
Yeah, Varsha, you can go ahead. Varsha?
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
yes.
So my question was around when you mentioned that you can discuss about your teenage flames, I would call it. I wouldn't say affairs, because those would be attractions, infatuations, etc. But like you mentioned, in our community, I will be specific, in Indian community, men are not very okay with women sharing that. How about it?
So now that's what, now when you see, changes cannot be happening in one day, Varsha. And why do you consider your partner of those men? Certain behavior patterns might match, but then the trust you build in so many years, it is more important. देखो कहीं और से पता चले, suddenly Facebook में pop up हो, that will be shocked. The more you open, at least I had a small frame that the way you easily told me, just need to tell her, that's it, and it's over, it is done. But just to inform, I'm informing.
Okay.
So if you start making a fuss, we start making a fuss about it, it will be big issue. If we consider just a light movement, it will be as light as we can.
Okay.
Anyone else?
Shobhan?
Thank you.
You can unmute yourself.
Yeah, it is unmute. Okay.
Yeah.
See, what happens is we all look for recognition, and mostly we look for recognition in our careers, right? We are being appreciated in the society based on our career growth. How much wealth you have, how much assets you have. All these things are what we are being judged and we are being appreciated. Okay, so everyone is striving to get to be better in that. Okay, in that process, what happens? The relationship or the family takes a beat. Okay, so because a man may take a career growth, a woman takes a career growth, so nothing happens. And since you didn't allow us to ask questions on intimate relationships, our bosses sometimes doesn't allow us to have intimate relationship because you'll be always thinking about the numbers, our targets, what we should be achieving. And I think that is one of the major problems which the modern society is facing. People don't get closer nowadays. Husband and wife doesn't get closer because of the pressure they carry when they are office work. What do you think?
So as I told, when, hi, finally I can see you. Okay. So as I told you, when we openly talk about office works, everyone gonna go, since the lifestyle has changed, so there is a lot of burden. But when you starting, when we support each other intellectually, when we started sharing, okay, this is what problem I'm facing. Trust me, this point when we, laid off that burden, you will feel much more easier. And those special moments, as I told, at least in a week that you go out, have that quality we time instead of me time, which is most important. So that way you slowly connect with each other. It is not going to happen in one day because so many years, slowly that habit has been changed. But that person is still there for you. That is most important. And make them special because they are still standing with you without asking anything. Is that work for your question?
Thank you. That was great, Jyoti, because I also heard the same thing. Yes, absolutely. कहीं ना कहीं वो connection, देखो हर एक के लाइफ में वो छोटा सा कहीं ना कहीं वो है, जुड़ा हुआ रहता है. So, okay, my wife has a question.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Good to see you.
It was amazing. So my question is, so nowadays this young chunk of people, like, not of our age, we are like 90s and 88, but before that, I mean after that, they have a problem with something called as, being affectionate to many people at the same time. So they don't know what love exactly is. So, like maybe it is not wrong at one point in time and maybe it is right. But there are some, like, wherein I have come across many such kids wherein they are like, affectionated to many men at the same time. So what do you have to say about it?
So now affectionate many men, at least whom they see or they even does not exit, they exit only virtual words. Because abhi to Tinder or Twitter hi chalta hai. Very frankly,
that is there.
मतलब वो भी पता नहीं होता कि सामने वाले का picture, the person's true identity is what we don't know about it.
Exactly, right.
Yeah. And just किसी का अभी, I don't know, this is sex chats, okay, which keeps on happening on this website. So now it is very easy because the age is very tender because they are growing up and watching the influence of films.
Yeah.
Now बहुत सारी फिल्मों में it's okay to have so many affairs. It's cool. It's very cool because the person has, so why I can't be the virgin होना, ये एक question mark, एक धब्बा है उनके लिए, unfortunately. So in this now the lust happened, the love doesn't happen here. The only aspect is only lust. And ab jab tak, the point is when they start seeing around the family, if you have very strong bounding, see, you cannot stop teenagers for making mistake, which is okay. If you stop, they become rebellion. Let them fall. You have to make them aware of precautions, preventions, and outcome.
Exactly.
Okay. First of all, especially teenagers, girls show them Mardani 1, Mardani 2, whatever.
Superb, superb.
Show them, make them aware, because people are so scared. Those kind of movies should not seen. Show to the kids, especially for kids, what's happening right now. It is most important. If they're aware what is kind of current situation, it make a lot of sense. So you cannot stop them, but only thing is, I think I can see your entire family right now. You can do is, the best thing is, let them experiment, let them learn on their own way.
Yeah, right.
And build that kind of connection. If they fall back, they will fall back. You're there for them.
Yes, yes. And there is one more thing wherein I don't know, many people will agree with me on this. The young girls or young guys falling for the older men. That has been like one, I'm telling you, I have come across so many people like this. Like the girl is 20 and the guy is around, I guess, 50. And I was like, that really won't make sense. You know, I feel it's stupidity, but still, it is there.
So secondly, they nowadays, again, that's happening in trends, no?
Yeah.
You see, Hollywood ऐसा ही चल रहा है. Okay, now the settlement. So initial life struggle which you have to do with your partners, they don't have to do it.
Yeah.
Because somewhere, you know, paisa, gaadi, bangla sab mil raha hai na. It's experience. You don't need to train them.
Exactly.
So, but that is always their choice.
Exactly, yes.
And that's where the call love is blind.
Right, true that.
So there is one question from Shobhan KR asking for parent-children relationship. So I would say when it comes to parent-children relationship, you have to break the ice. It's very important that teenagers don't want to talk to their parents. Apna room, apna laptop, apna mobile, apne friends. They have their own zone. They don't want to come out. So it's very important that you break the ice, talk about the common topic, common movies to start off with, and slowly you will realize there will be a lot of difference. I have a very last, is the questions over or are we getting more questions?
As of now, we are not getting any questions. Jyoti, you can
Okay.
go ahead.
So last task for the day, okay? I want you to play, this is applicable to you also, Pravesh, okay? I want you to play with her a true or dare game.
Oh.
Okay, wow, yeah, people start laughing here. I can see the smiley faces. So now, very important, you will surprise, and there are chances you will be shocked also, but a lot of communication will happen. So at home, at night, do definitely try this true or dare, and do let me know the response.
Sure.
Sure,
What exactly truth or dare maybe? Like anything?
Anything, it's your choice. You can ask any questions as you wish.
Okay. Sure.
100%.
We'll give you the response
And we'll give you the
also-
feedback.
Yeah. We'll give you the
Definitely.
because anyway, we have the feedback session after this call also.
Definitely.
People can write
Wonderful.
the feedback there also.
Thank you so much. So, wonderful audience, and I will be signing off.
Yeah, sure. So thank you, Jyoti, for this wonderful session out here. And it was great to connect you on this platform for L&D Global Mumbai lockdown series. Am I audible or am I? Okay.
Finally,
So,
you're seeing in front of me. Now, there is nothing upside. Pravesh, see.
Actually, I am just holding my special guest here. So she was also audible. So thank you so much, Jyoti. It was wonderful session on relationship mastery. My team was also wanting to understand and be here on this entire relationship mastery thing. Thank you so much, Jyoti. Very nice articulated the entire session. And thank you for coming on this platform. Hope to connect you again. We will share the feedback with you as well, the overall feedback. Okay. So thank you. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we have a digital marketing session by Chirag Thakkar. And hope, Urvi, I'm right. Chirag Thakkar? Okay. So Chirag Thakur's session tomorrow at 6:30. Stay tuned, stay watching L&D Global Mumbai. Collaborate, co-create and contribute. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Oh.